Hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I am Mr. Gadget Corner. I want talk about specifications of Xiaomi Redmi 5A. Before that, come on subscribes, so this channel can provide useful information. Xiaomi Redmi 5A smartphone was launched in October 2017. The phone comes with a 5.00-inch touchscreen, IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16M colors display with a resolution of 720 pixels by 1280 pixels and a PPI of 294 pixels per inch. Xiaomi Redmi 5A price starts from $93.4 or 75 euros. The Redmi 5A with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage is on sale for just $77. The Xiaomi Redmi 5A is powered by 1.4 GHz quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor and it comes with 2 GB of RAM. The phone packs 16 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB via a micro SD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Xiaomi Redmi 5A packs a 13-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 5-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Xiaomi Redmi 5A runs Android 7.1.2 and is powered by a 3000 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 140.40 x 70.10 x 8.40, height x width x thickness, and weigh 137.00 grams. The Xiaomi Redmi 5A is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, infrared, USB OTG, FM, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor, accelerometer, and ambient light sensor. Available colors gold, rose gold, dark gray, and blue. Done. Okay, don't forget watching next video. Thanks for watching.